Yes. So now started. So today topic we are discussing in collection, guys. Okay. So today topic collection. So guys, so anybody any idea about collection? Just think, genuine thing. Just think. Okay, not think it as a logically, as a programmatically. Think genuine. What is collection? What is collection? Okay. Collection means guys what? Normally you can think. So you want to collect something. So like you want to collect your dresses or like you want to collect your asset. So anything. So any group of object we can say it is a collection. Like in our daily life. So whatever things we are using, like we can say what. So in Delhi when we morning when we get up. So in that time what we'll do? We need what we need brush and a tongue cleaner, we need water, and we need after that dress, then after that we need book, laptop. So multiple things that we need because this is our requirement. So if we are gathering all those things, that is we can say as a collection. Okay, but in technically guys, think logically. So what is collection? So collection means if you want to representing group of object as a single unit, then we should go for collection. So it will be allowing either homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous, two terminology you guys very well know. Because when I discuss in array chapter, in that time I discuss what is homogeneous and what is heterogeneous. Anyway, so orally I'm also telling now. So homogeneous means what? Homogeneous means guys similar type. Heterogeneous means it is be mixing. So either similar or dissimilar. Both are allowed. Okay, but collection I can say guys, I'm writing also here for you. So what is that? If you want, if you want group of object as a single unit, single unit, then we should go for collection. Okay, collection also allow both homogeneous and heterogeneous data, we can say. Collection also allow both homogeneous us and heterogeneous data, we can say. All are clear. So what is collection if somebody asking, so in that time you can giving this definition. Then also guys in real time also example also you can give also, like homogeneous heterogeneous data means like guys I'm taking here our data type. Okay, so it means it's allow also 10 or 12 it's allow means it will be integer number. We can also giving string also allow. String means I'm allowing Rajesh, so it is one string, it's also allow. You can also allow floating value like 30.0, it's also allow. Like also allow it is boolean value like true or false, it is also allow. It means what guys? So it means all the mixing logic also here. So that mixing logic also allow in case of collection. Okay, all those things clear guys. So what is collection? Then guys we need to proceed. So what is the hierarchy of collection? Just assume, so I need to guys defining one as a diagrammatical format. So in the diagrammatic format if you follow, then you should be getting that more clarity on that. So let me guys so open. So like paint, in that paint I will be discuss there. So like, okay, this is our paint. Okay, in that paint guys, I need to discuss, I need to define here collection hierarchy. So then you people get more clarity to getting collection. Okay, look here guys. So first initially I'm defining here as a collection. We can say collection guys a interface. Okay, so let me represent here, look here. So what I will do? So I just write here some hierarchy like its collection. Okay, collection. So I think it'll be little bit what small. So I need to increase its font. Then if people get clarity. Okay. So just minute collection. So also need to increase little bit more font also, like I increase 624. Okay, in 24 I need to represent here collection. Okay guys, look, collection is a parent, we can say it is a interface guys. I'm representing also inside which one interface and which one class. Class, what is interface, you all are know. So guys, inside also I'm representing this is interface. Okay, this is, we can say this is collection interface. Then guys, having collection having multiple child interface, so we can say it is one list. List also one interface is there. Okay, list also one interface, it is also one its child. Then another child I can say what, so another child collection hierarchy, that is we can say set. Okay, set also it is a one interface guys. Then after that, what is that, so after that one more thing is guys, one more interface also there like queue. Okay, okay, then after that one more interface q u e. Okay, just assume q. Okay, it is also one interface guys. If you're telling it is also having one interface, look guys, so this is its hierarchy. Let's, I'm representing also here. So what is that, so this is parent, all are no, that inheritance relation like same guys. Okay, up to this I think clear. So collection is a parent, then it's having three child. Okay, it's having three child interface, that is we can say list interface, one is set interface, another is queue interface. Okay guys, so list interface having impl classes. Impl classes means guys implemented classes. So what is that implemented classes in list? So guys, so look here, so I'm writing also list interface impl classes. So we can say that is what, sorry, that is array list. Okay, array list, array list one, it is a class guys. Okay, so in the right I'm writing here class. Okay, then one more thing guys, linked list. Linked list, okay, it is also one more class. Okay, then one more thing also there guys, so that is we can say one more also there, that is vector. Vector, vector also guys it is a class. Okay, vector having as one more child class, that is we can say stack. Okay, it is also one more class. Just understand hierarchy and definition, no worry for that what is collection, I'm not discussing now it. Just understand that a relation, what is the relation are there. Okay, so guys, then do one thing, so I need to represent here hierarchy. So this is list. Okay, this is one class, then another class, then one more is guys also this one vector is another class. Okay, then guys, so vector having own child. Okay, vector having own child, that is stack. Then guys remember one thing. Okay, so this vector and stack, this thing, this thing we are representing, we can calling also this thing as a legacy class. Okay guys, so this is we can call as a legacy class. Just understand this one. So now you clear. So list content, This many interface. Interface list one is a interface. List content this many IMPL classes means implemented classes. Okay, guys. Then we are going to set. Okay. In case of set, they are having also multiple, we can say multiple child classes also there. So I need to represent here also. Look guys, so has set, okay, has set is a IMPL class of set interface. Okay, one is has set, another is guys what, another is we can say that is linked has set. Okay, linked has set. Okay, this is also one more IMPL class for set. Okay, then guys, so I'm representing here, this is also class. Okay, then one more thing also there, list interface having also one more child interface is there, that is guys, so we can say that is sorted set. Okay, sorted sorted set. Sorted set is it one type of interface, we can say it is one interface. Sorted set having guys, it's also one more interface also there, like we can say navigable, okay, navigable interface. Okay, navigable set, we can say navigable set. Okay, it is also one more interface are there. Then guys, we can say it's having one IMPL class, that is we can say tree set guys. Okay, tree set what, tree set is a, it's implemented class. Okay, so guys, now I'm assigning here that the arrow, that relation. Okay, so look, so I need to putting here, it is it is coming under set interface, and it is also coming under set interface, because has set one class, then linked has set also one more class for sets. Then one more also, it will also directly coming one more interface, set interface having also one more interface, we can say that is sorted set, it's one interface. Then set sorted set containing guys one more interface it's containing, that is we can say that is navigable set. Okay, it is also one more child interface, it is not directly, okay, it is not directly child interface of set, because it will be child interface of set is sorted set. Sorted set is a one type of interface, sorted set having one child interface, that's a child interface, we can say that is navigable set. Okay, then navigable sets having one more what, navigable set having one more child class, so that child class we can say that is tree. Okay, that is tree set. Okay guys, this is hierarchy of our what, set. Okay, in case of queue also guys, they are having some child also there. Okay, we can say queue having, okay, so in case of queue, if you go for queue, so in case of queue they are having child, we can say that is priority queue and linked blocking queue. Okay, two child is there, one is guys priority queue. Okay, okay, priority queue. Another is we can say guys linked blocking queue. Okay, priority queue and linked blocking queue. So in priority queue and linked blocking queue, so it's child of the queue. Okay, so this is our hierarchy of collection. If you covered this many things, then you are aware about the collection. So all these things, people are thinking collection is a very difficult topic, but don't think guys, so it is a difficult topic, it is a very easy topic if you get proper idea. So how to storing collection, how to storing group data, then you people get more and more clarity. Okay guys, so now I think all are clear, it's hierarchy. If clear, then guys I need to proceed next step. So please ping me guys, so all are clear or not. If anybody any doubt about collection hierarchy, all are clear guys. So 1 second also I'm explaining. So look guys, so collection is a parent interface, it's having three child interface. Okay, so that is list, set and queue. So then list interface having several IMPL class means implemented class. So we can say that is array list, linked list, then legacy under is coming vector stack. Then we can say that as set. Set is a interface. Set interface containing what? Hash set is its implemented class, and linked hash set is in another implemented class. Then after that we are proceed that sorted set, then navigable set and tree set. Then in case of queue also like priority and block. Okay guys, so I think this hierarchy all are clear. No worry for that. I will discussing all those things one by one. So once few part we discuss. So no worry, if you are facing any doubt about this hierarchy, just ping me. Okay guys, so ping me if you are facing any doubt. Okay, somebody ping. Okay. Okay, that is that remaining thing actually we need to cover some weekend, because as our target our course will be end that is November. Okay, anyhow November end, so we need to cover all the chapters. So up to Spring Boot. So that's why actually some weekend also I'm conducting class, because we are long like 10 days or 10 12 days we already serve holiday. So then freshly we are starting new classes. Okay, small thing they are remaining about that array list, sorry, array. So that thing I will cover coming weekend, because in fresh session no, if I putting these small things, then it will be taking around one class, because I don't want to missing one class, because if I cover that thing as a weekend, this is a benefit for you. Okay guys, so no worry, that area related this coming weekend I will cover that small thing. Okay guys, so now I think this hierarchy all are clear. Okay, so let me proceed guys then. So after that we need to proceed. So collection having guys some predefined methods are there. If you want to operating any collection data, so they are having some predefined method. So you should be remember this method, then we should be implement one by one. Okay, so any collection, any like is set. Okay, like a list, like you everywhere you can use also this type of methods. Okay, no worry for that. So guys, I'm telling here some predefined method, then I can use also that one. Okay, so collection related some predefined defined method. Okay, so collection related some predefined methods we need to discuss here. What is the predefined method, how it will be giving benefit to us in collection. Okay guys, so first method I can say that is boolean. Okay, boolean, you can say. Okay, public, we can say putting public. Okay, boolean r. Okay, public boolean r. This is predefined method. It's containing object obj. Object obj means that's what it means. All object we can pass. All type of data you can pass, like a primitive, like a, sorry, like a 10 20, like we can say like a string, like a boolean. So every data you can pass. That's why I put it as a object, because all data types one parent is their object. So in that time I think inheritance I discussed that one. Okay, no worry for that guys. So then second method, so second method is guys what, So second method is guys, that is we can say public boolean. What is that? So second method is guys, we can say public boolean, that is add all. Okay. So one method is there, public boolean add all. In parameter we can pass as a collection. It means any collection it will be added. Okay. Collection C. Remember this method, because if you remember this method now, then you can easily implement. Okay. Then third one we can say guys, public boolean. Okay. Remove. Okay, public boolean remove. Remove means it will be removing only the specific object. Okay, object obj. Then guys, then fourth one. Fourth one, what is public boolean remove all. Remove all. Okay, public boolean remove all. Each one method is there. Remove all. Remove all means what content? It's containing collection. Okay, it's containing collection C. Then guys, then fifth one is, what is that? Fifth one is public void clear. Okay, clear means guys, whatever data is there under our collection, it will be clearing all the things. Okay, sixth one is, we can say guys, so that is public. Okay, public void return all. Return all. Okay, return all. Return all, it's containing what? It's containing collection C. It means guys, except below collection, it will be removing all those things. Okay. Maybe return all method return type actually I'm forgot. So we need to, when we discuss that return type, so maybe void or some other thing. So we need to see later that one. Okay. Then seventh one. Seventh one is guys what? So that is public boolean. Okay. Public boolean, we can say what is that? Contents. Public boolean contents object, it will be checking the object containing or not. Okay, if object is containing, then it will be giving what? Then it will be giving us to our perfect true data. Then eight one guys, so eight one is, that is public boolean. Okay, public boolean contents all. Public boolean contents all means guys, it will be checking the collection is containing or not. Okay, collection C. Okay, then guys, one more method is there, that is we can say ninth one. Ninth one is what? Ninth one is public boolean is empty. Okay, is empty. It will be checking that the collection data is empty or not. If it is empty, it will be returning true. If it is not empty, it will be returning false. Then tenth one guys, so tenth one we can say, that is public. Okay, int size. Like size method, you all are know guys. So we are discussing in our which topic? In our it means string topic. Then one more thing is guys, object array. Public object. Okay, public object array to array. To array one method is there guys. So based on to array, if you using that any collection data, so if you try to converting as a object format, then you can use this to array method. Then guys, 12th one is iterator. Okay, public iterator, iterator. Okay, public iterator and iterator, this method are also there. Okay, in our collection chapter, guys, all remember this 12 method. Okay, if this is common method of all collection, like we can say list, set and queue, all collection you can using this common method. It is very easy, guys. So if you remember these things, then you can easily operating also our collection data. Okay, guys, then let me guys, so I'm discussing now list, because in collection having, as I discuss, as a, based on hierarchy, collection having its child interface. We can say what is the interface, so that is list interface. So we need to guys discussing one interface, then it's impl class. So like collection I, all those things we can say, all those things, whatever things I represent their hierarchy, all those things we are calling as a collection. Then collection having these many parts, we are going based on one by one step. Okay, our first step is, we can say first pillar is, that is list, we need to discussing, that is list interface. Okay, guys, so let me then open what is list. Okay, so just guys remember here, so list interface you all are know. So this is dot thing, guys, so that's a method. So that is a interface I'm representing here. Okay, we can, what is a list, if somebody asking, so guys what is list, in that time what we will tell. So list also, if you want to representing group of object as a single unit, like same definition, guys. I also, if you want, I also copy here. Okay, I also copy here this thing, just control C copy this thing that we need to discuss here. So like same definition I put it here, then I need to adding something. So what is the definition currently? Currently definition, if you are to representing group of object as a single unit, then we should go for list. Okay, single unit, then we should go for list. So it is also allow, uh, not, it is also allows same homogeneous heterogeneous data. Then one more thing, guys, so one more additional point is there. So that is a list containing duplicate, duplicate and insertion order it's containing. So then what is the definition currently? This is our previous definition, I just copy there as collection definition, same definition. I need to add some additional part. So what is that? If I to representing group of object as a single unit, where, okay, where duplicate and duplicate and insertion are preserved, then we should go for list. Guys, this is our collection definition after unit. Okay, look, after unit I need to adding here. So where duplicate, duplicate and insertion, duplicate data allow and insertion order preserve, duplicate data allow and insertion, insertion order preserved. Okay, and insertion order, okay, and insertion order preserved, then we should go for here, instead of collection we should go for list. Guys, why I copy there and why I adding here? Because one definition everywhere. So collection definition I something modify on list interface. Then when I discuss that set interface, there also something I need to modify same definition, because if I overriding same definition multiple times, then you should be remember very easily. Because if you remember this point, okay, if you remember this point, then you should be get clarity. Okay, then guys, so what then what more things are remaining? So remaining is, we can say, guys, let's having child. So we need to discussing that child, we can say, guys, we need to add also here one more point. It is a index base. we can say one more point also. List is a index based interface also we can represent. List is a index based data represent. Okay, list is a index based data represent. Okay, no worry. So index things you all are know when I discuss that string and array. So here also how we using that index in case of list, that thing also we need to discuss. Okay. So this is about that list. Then list having, as I discussed, list having child. So in that child we can say that it's array list. Okay, array list. Okay, array list one child of list as our hierarchy. So yes, look here. So array list one our child. So array list having some points. Based on this point, we should be designing our array list. What is that array list? Array list underline data structure, guys. We can represent array list underline data structure as resizable and growable array. This is also common point. Every interface having child class, no? That child class also small modification are there. Based on this small modification, we can representing these common points. Okay. So guys, so now we need to discussing that array list child. So array list child is first thing is we need to discuss underlying data structure is array list resizable and growable array. Okay. So underline, okay, underlying data structure, underlying data structure is resizable. Okay, resizable and growable array. This is your first point of array list. Then second point is guys what? So it's allow duplicate. Okay, it's allow duplicate. This is one point. Then one more point is guys, we can say insertion order preserved. Okay, this is another point. This third point. Okay, then also one more point you can guys add. So in list also there are null also allowed. Okay, in list they, sorry, null value. Okay, in array list, in array list null value also allow. Okay, in array list null value also allow. Then one more thing is guys we can add here. So what is that? So heterogeneous object also allow. Okay, homogeneous and heterogeneous both object are allow. Okay, we can represent here homogeneous, yes, and heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous both object it is also allow. Okay, this is also one more point. So guys, one more point also I need to telling here. So that is what, it implements also internally. Every array list implements serializable and clonable interface. No worry, what is serializable and clonable interface we need to discuss later. But just know these things. Array list, it's also internally implements internally implements serializable. Okay, serializable and clonable interface. Okay, serializable and clonable interface. This is also one more point. Then guys, one more point is I'm adding array list based operation, which we can say guys retrieve operation. It is also one more point you can add. Array list, its based operation is retrieve operation. Retrieve operation. Just understand this theory. Okay, guys. Based on this theory, whatever things I represent here, so based on everything I need to representing as a programmatically. Just remember these many points. So underlying data structure is resizable and growable array, then duplicate allow, then extension order preserve, then null value allow, then homogeneous and heterogeneous allow. Then guys, one more thing, it's implement serializable and clonable interface. Then array list based operation is our retrieve operation. Okay, this many point remember. Then I need to discuss here two three constructor. Then directly we are proceed to program. Okay, based on array list, based on list. Today we need to discuss also its program. What program need to coming? Okay, look at this. So constructor. Based on this constructor, we need to creating array list. So constructor is what is the constructor to creating array list? So constructor is guys like this. Array list, array list. Okay, al equal to new array list, array list, array list al equal to new array list. You can create like this, guys. Its default size is what? Its default size is, we can say, 10. Okay, array remember always. So once you created that any array list object, its default size is always represent as a 10, but it will be based on requirement, based on input, it will be increased also. Increase purpose, they are having some rule to increase its size. So one formula is there to increasing that array list size. Okay, so look here. So that is current capacity, we can say current capacity of a list, or we can say the default capacity. Okay, default default capacity. ArrayList default capacity is guys 10. This point you remember. But somehow, so if something want to increase, so some capacity need to increase. So in that time, how it will be increased? It will be increased. What is that? The one formula is there. That is current capacity into 3 by 2 plus 1. Based on this formula, so ArrayList object capacity will be increased. It means, guess what? It means once that reaching this 10 capacity, the new array list is internally created. Okay guys, so when we discuss the garbage collector also, in that time also this array list example I will provide. So in that time you will be getting more clarity. No worry for that. So just now, so if how will we increase? If somebody asking, so once array list object is filled, means once default capacity is reached, then what is the next capacity? So in that time you should represent this formula, guys. So increase capacity purpose, guys. Increase capacity. Increase capacity means, guys, what? Increase capacity means current capacity. CC I'm writing. Current capacity means C dot C. Current capacity into 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 one formula is there. Current capacity into 3 by 2. Then guys, after performing this operation, then we can plus 1. Based on this formula, it will be increasing that array list capacity. Okay, this is your initial capacity or default capacity, we can say. Then guys, one more constructor is there under array list. That is what? Like array list. Okay, array list al equal to new array list. Okay, array list al equal to new array list. You can pass, guys, your own capacity. Like you can pass your own capacity. If you want to creating a array list having 100 capacity, you can also, this is also possible. So when you creating that array list under this parameter, you can passing any 100 value, then it will be created automatically that array list which having the capacity 100. Then guys, third constructor also one there. So like we can say array list. Okay, array list al equal to new array list. Okay, new array list. We can pass also any collection here. So you can pass any collection means, guys, what? So it means, so any collection data like set data, like you, we can say linked list, like you has set. So any data, if you want to converting as a array list, that's also possible. So how it will be possible? If you want to creating this type of constructor, then we can passing that collection, then it will be possible. Let's guys, whatever things now we discuss, let's represent it programmatically. Okay, so let me open id, then we need to discuss this theory as a program. Okay guys, so let me open our sts. Okay, so guys, let me create one our java project like this. So project name is I'm representing here ArrayList. Okay, project name is ArrayList program. Okay, in ArrayList program, so I need to defining all these things. Okay, sure. Look, our program is ready. Just go src option, then new. Then I need to creating our package. So our package name is guys what? So package name is organization name. Like our organization name is Software Engineer Builder. So SEB. Okay, Software Engineer Builder. Then we are giving finish. Okay, then guys, then I need to creating class. So just right click package, then new, then class. In class, so I'm creating class name as a, okay, array list test. Okay, array list test. Okay guys, so I'm creating array list test. Then I need to creating here main method to represent our own motto, represent our emotion to JVM. For that, we need what? So we need main method. So we need to creating main method. So now guys, our main method is ready. Now we can creating array list. Okay. So just based on concept, look guys, so I directly go our theory part, and under theory part I need to copy our constructor. So whatever things I discuss in theoretical, everything is working or not, so directly I go here. So just copy this array list object. Okay, just copy here, then directly represent that in my id. Okay, look guys, so directly I represent id. So here is issue because they are small, capital. Look guys, error is gone. So everything is clear. Now array list object ready or not? Yes, array list object ready. So it means guys what? This is our array list object. Array list object creation. Object creation. Okay. Based on this constructor, we can create array list object. Let guys. So I try to printing. So something I to try to printing. What output will be coming? Look. So I try to putting L means our reference I try to putting, then I try to run here. So what output will be coming? Just look here. Look, output nothing coming. Only coming what? Square bracket only coming. Okay, open square bracket and close square bracket. Okay, this thing only coming, not other any output will be coming. Why it's coming like this? Because this currently this array list is empty, because this array list doesn't contain any data. So I need to add some data under array list, then I try to printing, then what output will be coming? Look, so before discussing array list I already told this many method, these many predefined method. Based on this predefined method, we can also adding data in our array list. Okay, what is the method? That method signature is public boolean add object obj. Based on this method, so we can add data in our array list. Let guys, so I try in programmatically. So what I do? So I just use al reference dot add. Okay, then I try to adding any data, any random data I try to adding. So let I'm adding here 10. It will be allowing. Then one more data is I'm try to adding like what? Al dot add. Okay, then I try to adding here Rajesh. Okay, because array list both allow homogeneous and heterogeneous, as I told previously. So look guys, so two record here I added. Let me try to run here. So what output will be coming? Just right click, run as Java application. Look guys, so currently output is becoming 1020. Why 1020 output will be coming? Because this array list previously doesn't have any record, but currently I added some record. That's why all record will be retrieved, all record will be printing. Because I printed based on reference, I printed. It means it will be it means you are getting result. Okay, then I try to add more record like, so I try to add here any boolean data also add. So it's allow or not. Look, so I try to add here false. Yeah, it's allowing. Then also I try to add here double data. So add double data means I add here 10.0. Otherwise we can add here 40.0 any data double data. It's also allowing. We are not facing any issue. Then I try to add. Look here. Are you getting or not? Getting? Then guys, so I try to printing. What is the size of array list? So size purpose, I already told also one method is there, that is size method. Let me printing this one. It will be working or not. So just sys out, control space, enter. SOPLN coming. Then I'm representing here size. Okay, size. So what is our size? So size is guys. So I just taking its reference. Dot one more predefined method is there, that is size method. Based on size method, it will be getting data. Look, what is the size? Look, current size is what? Current size is 4 because I added here only 4 record. It means that size is 4. Okay, but if you thinking that, oh, I need to add that more record, the size will be increased. So one more thing also there. So when I discuss that more concept like linked list, then set. So in that time I implement that third constructor, because in third constructor, no, you are not aware. If I directly added any data, any object, then you are not added, then you are not clear. Okay, this one. Okay, no worry for that guys. So let me proceed. So I need to creating one more array list like what? So array list al2. Okay, array list al2 equal to new array list. Okay, new array list, we can passing our own capacity. Okay, we can passing capacity as 100. Okay, if I passing as capacity as 100, then what happened? Look guys. Okay, then if I try to printing here sys out. Okay, just sys out, then al2, sorry, al2 dot capacity dot size, we can say, sorry, dot size. Okay, al2 dot size. So what is the size currently? Assume guys, any idea about this? Size is 0 because and I'm not adding here any data. If I'm not adding any data, then it will be size is 0. But I added capacity and size guys, two things are different. Okay, capacity means this array list containing this 100 record. Okay, then after that new array list will create. Okay, this is, we can say, capacity. Size means how many record is available in that array list, that is, we can say, size. Okay guys, so this is your all about array list. Anybody, any doubt facing guys? Any doubt facing anybody? Okay, okay guys, so I think nobody facing in, no doubt. Okay, no problem. So guys, today this much. Then Tomorrow we'll continue the rest of the session, the rest of the IMPL classes. Then very soon I will be complete that your collection. Okay, so you can drop down. Okay, bye guys.